Today we're going to talk about seating charts. And seating charts, of course, we all know can be wonderful for helping learn students' names and also for helping substitutes know who's supposed to sit where. But in PowerSchool, seating charts gives you the added advantage of being able to use it to take attendance. So, and one of the nice things about the seating chart in PowerSchool over iNow, I never liked iNow, is because it snapped everybody to a grid. PowerSchool will try to make it go to a grid, but then after that it says, no, wait a minute, maybe we don't want a grid, so we're going to take and allow you to readjust it. And it's really simple to do. To start off, we're going to take and move to where you have the grid with a chair right there. That's going to be your access to your seating chart. And once we get into that, next thing we're going to do, I'm going to go to new layout just because, let's go and do a new layout and finish, and that will give you what you're going to see when you start. Now I should point out that all these students are fictitious. I'm in the training portal that PowerSchool has, therefore none of these students are actually real people, so we don't have to blur anybody out. From here, I'm going to go into the seating chart, and the first thing I'm going to add is my desk in the front of the room. So I click here, I'm going to take and drop the desk down right there. And you're going to find that along with that, you've also got a whiteboard you can put up. You got the door if you want to put a door up, and then you can put in text boxes as well, maybe naming the class period or something of that nature. And from here, I'm just going to take and start dropping in students. Now, all the students are initially going to snap to a grid. So my first group of students in my front row, that's not going to be a big deal. But then when I start taking and setting up my curve on my classroom, I can either have it there or down here for my first one, but I don't want either of those, so I'm going to take and do that, and then I'm going to drag it down after I drop it. Same thing again, drop it, and then we're going to drag it down. Do the same thing over on this side. Actually, I want to take and move those two up just a little, and I can do that as a pair. And let's move them a little closer together too. Same thing here. And then we're going to take and drag it just like so. And we're going to keep right on going. Okay, now that I have my basic students filled in, I've got some empty desk spots I want to add in as well. And that we can do very simply. I'm going to take and click on tables, and that says, well, how many tables do you want and whatnot. So this is going to add me a total of 16 new tables. I don't think I need that many, but we're going to go ahead and add 16 because we can take them away, what we don't need here in a minute. And now when you look down, here's the tables I added. So from there I can take and go up and add empty tables as placeholders where I need them at. I can move them as a set, 3 at a time. Oops, I've got too many kids here, or much space used, so let me come down just a little bit because I do have that 4th row in the center of my room. Well, shoot. There we go. And then I need 3 tables to go up on this side, and now that they're in place, I can click off and then readjust them to kind of follow the curve of the others. And I need 4 tables to go on the other side. So I'm going to take and put them and then click off and readjust so that it all matches the curve of my room. And these extra ones, I'm just going to highlight them and I'm going to hit on my delete button, and now it's gone. So now I've got my seating chart set up. I can take and, of course, name that if I want, say reach 2, and hit OK. And now my seating chart itself is saved, and then you hit save right here, and that's going to save everything, lock it in. And from there, I can go back to the seating chart and I can take attendance on my students. All you have to do, find that empty desk, and currently is defaulted as everybody's being absent. I hope that ours are going to default with everybody being present, but we shall see when it comes online. But you just click the down arrow and you collect the particular code for whatever you have. I guess that's a cat code right there for purring, If you'd want to know what your different codes actually mean, you can click this down arrow right here, and I guess they got two different presents, a capital present and a lowercase present. Now this is a training portals layout. I am confident that ours will not be the same, and you're going to have to check and see what it looks like when it's all online and ready to go. That is a quick run of seating charts in a nutshell. If you have any questions, please let me know, and I will continue to help you as best I can. Have a good day.